Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Gasp!
4 uh-ohs and a gasp, Debbie. Things are not looking good. You have been putting off some minor repairs for quite some time now, haven't you? Oh, Deborah.
But you're not listening to me.
Oh, but your husband Dave has his own repair problems at the business.
How are we going to handle
How
these
are we
repairs?
going to handle Debbie's attitude?
Let Hart Construction Services get that done for you.
Excuse me?
They are not only a construction company, but a trusted source to get that repair done professionally for you. We do it all, from electrical to plumbing, flooring, roofing, drywall, commercial services, and more. Dave, we know you can handle it, but why don't you take the day off and go about your week knowing that we got it handled?
Great, thanks.
You've been playing for 5 years, Dave.
Sorry, just a warm-up.
We are not responsible for the actions, thoughts, or ideas of your spouse, or arguments that may occur during the maintenance, repair, and construction process. We are only responsible for quality results for your home and business project needs. Not to mention, we also excel in large remodels, new construction, interior design, and almost anything you need to make your dream home or office come to life. Remember though, most people only do these big projects once or twice in a lifetime. So before getting started, we will help make sure it is the right time and project for your specific needs. Again, we are not responsible for arguments, only for the solutions. Contact us today.
Oh, I am definitely going to have a little chat with Dave.